Hi everyone, it's Melody Lane. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you click that subscribe and click that bell so you get notified every time I do a video. I do free live Cricut Design Space classes every Saturday at 11 a.m. We do project videos at Tuesday at noon Eastern, and Thursday night at 8 p.m. we do Thursday Night Live doing another project. And then there's some in between. If you want to see me unbox this Cricut Maker 3, make sure you click that like button. Cricut did send me this machine, the Cricut Maker 3. They also sent me the Cricut Explore 3. So we'll be doing another unboxing of that machine. They also sent me a lot of the new products. So make sure you subscribe. We're going to be testing out those products. We're going to test out the speed of the machines. I'm told they're so much faster than the other machines. Even in fast mode, it's just automatically faster. A lot faster. They completely rebuilt the Cricut Maker. They completely rebuilt the Cricut Explorer. But if you just bought the Cricut Maker or just bought the Cricut Explorer Air 2, don't worry, those are great machines too. And we'll show you what's different about the Maker 3 and the Explorer 3. And don't worry, they dropped the name Cricut Explorer Air because all of the machines have Bluetooth. So the Air stood for Bluetooth. Don't worry, they just automatically have Bluetooth. And all of the tools that you have in your Cricut Maker will also work in the Cricut Maker 3. And the same with the Explorer. All the tools that work in your Cricut Explorer Air 2, or just the Cricut Explorer Air, or the Cricut Explorer, all work in the Cricut Explorer 3. They didn't take anything away from us. They've only added it to make it better. The machines you have now, the Cricut Explorer or the Cricut Maker, they will not be obsolete. They will still work as they do now. So this is just an option for people who want a new machine. One that goes faster, one that will cut up to 12 feet of vinyl, one that will cut without a mat. There's so many new products. They completely reformulated Smart Vinyl. For these new machines, the Smart Vinyl has been improved. Shall we get this thing unboxed? This is my first time opening the machine. You are meant to make. Yes, we were. What's in it? First we have a book, or a box, or an envelope. That's what it is. So let's open the envelope first. This is some tools, not tools, materials, and our book. This is Smart Vinyl. Let's get started. Okay, it says, let's get started. Activate your machine at Cricut.com/setup. Need help? Visit Cricut.com/contact. Okay. So we're taking this out. Ooh, it's pretty. There's some more things in here. Shall we lift this out? Okay, we got the machine out. Okay, and then here's the cords. This has plastic on it. I'm going to take this off. Cricut Maker 3. This is a different cord than the past cords. You do need to use this cord. Don't take out your old Maker or your old Explorer and just use the old cord. Make sure you use the new one. And then we have materials. Let's see what materials we have. Notice there is no mat. They replaced the mat and the rotary blade with materials. You will not get a rotary blade. It is sold separately. Okay, looks like we have smart vinyl in black. This is removable vinyl. We got transfer tape. Nice sizes, 12 by 12. Or actually, it's larger than 12 by 12. Look what they gave us! Smart iron-on. When cutting, insert upside down. So you want to cut it with this side up. And you want to mirror your iron-on, your image. Smart paper. Look at how big this is. This is bigger than 12 inches. Just cut, peel, and stick. Great for cards, paper crafts, and more. You don't have to use so much glue anymore. They have paper now. So anytime you're cutting layers, you can cut this paper sticker and you don't even need a mat. Saving money on mats. All right, that looks like that's all that's in the box. Okay, let's open it up. Let's take this out. Let's get the cords plugged in. Oh, let's look at this. Nice. This seems deeper. Has a magnet here to hold extra blades. So I'm going to plug this into an outlet, and then I'm going to plug this in to the back of the machine. If you don't have Bluetooth, you can use this to hook into the back of your machine and then into your computer. Shall we turn it on? It does come with the fine point blade, and the blade is already in there. Let's turn it on. Okay, now you can go to Cricut.com/setup, or if you already have Design Space, you can go to New Product Setup, Smart Cutting Machine, and then Cricut Maker 3. Step 1, clear 10 inches, 25 centimeters of space behind your Cricut Maker 3. Step 2, plug Cricut Maker 3 into the wall outlet and power on. I've already done that part. Step 3, use the USB cord to connect Cricut Maker 3 to the computer. Okay, let's try that. Okay, it says, looks like this device is already connected to a different window. It's not. I just opened it. Close that one first and then retry. Let's retry. Okay, all I had to do was click retry and then hit continue. Now it's updating. Or it's not updating. We have to click update. It's up to date. That was fast. And then we have to agree and register. That's so nice. So easy to do this. It is all registered and set up. Let's make a sticker. Which one should we do? I think I'm going to make a bear. Click next. Prepare for your cut. Confirm that your blade is secured in clamp B. It is. Insert smart vinyl under the guides up to the rollers. So what I'm going to do is use this piece. This says right here, use this during setup to make a sticker. So they gave you this to use to make the sticker. So we're just going to stick this in and make sure it's under the guidelines. These guidelines have been updated in the new machine. So we're going to stick them under there. And I'm going to just press here, because that's what I always did with my mat. I'm just going to kind of hold it there and push the upload button. Notice the buttons are different now. This has 2 arrows. This has a play button and a pause button. The Cricut C logo is no longer there. It is now a play button. That is amazing, because now you know exactly what that button does. It makes it go. I don't know what size this is going to be or anything. Okay, so it's measured it, it's set that it's straight. It will recenter your smart materials if they're not straight. Wow, that kind of moves fast. There is no fast mode. It just cuts it fast. Okay, it's done. Can you see our little bear on there? Okay, I'm gonna cut this so I'm not wasting material. Once I cut it shorter than the width, it has to be 13 inches to fit in the machine without a mat. So once I cut it, I can use it on a mat and I won't be wasting all this vinyl. So I'm just gonna cut the bear out. And then I can save this and use it on a mat. Or possibly cut it down to fit the Cricut Joy. Maybe. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, got it all weeded. I'm going to use just a little bit of the transfer tape. We're going to test how easy this comes up onto the transfer tape. I know with the Cricut Joy, some of you have had trouble with the transfer tape, getting it off, the vinyl off of the backing. So we're going to test this out. Use my Cricut scraper. I like to turn it over. I don't know what I'm going to stick this on. Let's just see how easy it comes off. So when you want to take the sticker off the backing and just have it on the transfer tape, you flip it over, then you peel this back flat. Oh my gosh, it was so easy. So much easier than the other smart vinyl. I forgot to weed out its eye. There we go. So now I can easily stick this onto anything I want to stick it on. That was so easy. You guys, I'm so excited for this new smart vinyl. I'm just gonna put this back on here. I'm gonna give this to my son and let him put it where he would like it. Do you wanna see a new attachment you can put on your Cricut Maker 3? Look how big this roll of smart vinyl is. It's 75 feet, but I'm gonna go over this and more of the new stuff. We're gonna use this vinyl. We're gonna cut this vinyl. I'm gonna do it uncut so you can see the speed, because I was amazed. It may look like I'm speeding up the video, but I will not speed up the video, the cutting. You will get to see it all. So that will be another video. And look, there's a roll holder and it trims it right off. It's amazing. You'll see me work with this in action in another video coming up soon. It's so nice, so easy to do, and to be honest, I was amazed at how easy this all was and how well it all worked together. And new paper trimmer. This is my favorite paper trimmer. Well, they just made it bigger. It now cuts 13 inches because all of the new materials are 13 inches. Yay! So make sure you are subscribed and you click that like button, and there are going to be many more videos, possibly today, for the new Maker 3, the new Explorer 3, and the new products. Make sure you're subscribed and like these videos if you want to see more.